how to look at old Instagram stories. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to Instagram. Then go to your profile icon. Then on your top right corner, you will see this menu bar. Go over there. You will see this option of clock-like icon with archive written on it. Go there. Select stories archive from this drag down menu and all the stories that you have posted earlier will appear over here. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.